So today we've purchased these lovely, gorgeous miniature roses, and these were originally £5.49, reduced to £2, now only £1. And we've chosen a couple of them, and nice colours. This one's really beautiful colours, really lovely dark pink. And we've chose these particular pots as we're going to look after these, and we're going to separate them into different plants. If we look in this pot, we've got 1, 2, 3, and we've got 4 plants. So what I'm going to do is remove all 4 of these plants and put them up into their own pot. This one on the back here, although it's flowered, it's very dark and probably dying off, but it has flowered, so we will try and keep it. So I'm going to show you what we're going to do. So first of all, I've got some compost, and this is mixed with coir and perlite, but the roses do need a acidy compost, and they do have their own rose compost you can purchase. I'm just going to try and amend the compost that we've already got. So here we've got some coffee grounds from a cafetiere, so I'm going to add these to our compost. And this will hopefully make the soil slightly more acidic. And we've also got some eggshells, so I'm just going to crush the eggshells up and add those to the compost mix. And that's going to be a great starting mix for the rose. I'm going to mix all that together. And we'll see what we can do. So that's our compost mix. And we've got a pot. And what I'm going to do is just look at our plant. I'm just going to remove any dead plants, any dead leaves that are floating around. We don't require those. And then I'm going to get our snips, and I'm just going to remove the branches that are dying off. Remove that one, and any blooms that are dying off. I'm going to remove this one down to the next bud. I don't know if that's going to be any good, that one. I'll remove the bloom down to its next bud. We'll see about that one, we're not sure. And I'm going to remove this one as it's floppy and broken. I'm going to cut that one down to there. This one looks pretty good, and this one looks pretty good. So potentially we've got 4 plants, definitely 3, possibly a 4th. So I'm just going to remove this from the pot, and we'll just gently tease them apart. And there we go. So we've got one nice rose plant. And I've got a pot. I'm just going to fill up our pot. We're going to put the rose in the centre, fill it back up with our compost mix. Slightly firm it down, and there we go. So it's going to give it lots more space, lots more air, and it's giving it a nice tidy up. There we go. I'm going to give it a water. I'm going to place that in a sunny location, and hopefully it will cover. There we go. And then we've got another 3 roses, 2, and then this one, which is a bit marginal. We'll pot that one up and we will see if it will recover. So let me know in the comments, have you bought any miniature roses? Have you divided them? We're really getting into our roses at the moment. This is a real great idea. So if you're new to my channel, please subscribe, ring that bell, get notifications when I post some more. We'll look forward to watching these grow into nice big plants. Lovely. Cheers.